Come test drive the 2018 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find power seats, heated seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, 8 speakers, power passenger seat.
When purchasing an Acura Certified Pre-Owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura Certified Pre-Owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.